Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can make $10,000 using GSA website contact. If you are new and you don't know about the GSA website contact, I will show it to you first what is the GSA website contact first. So let's check it out. GSA website contact. I will go on the website so you will know what is GSA website contact. This is the first page of GSA website contact software. This is a software, this is kind of bot, you can say. It will do multiple tasks and you can check it out here. This is the GSA website contact. The main purpose of this website, this software is it will submit thousands of contact pages in couple of minutes. Here this is the contact us page. This kind of contact us page you can see on the multiple websites. So just using this software you can put your affiliate link or whatever link you want to promote, or you want to do SEO, whatever you want to do, you can use it and it will fill automatically the name, email, random name. If you want to your own name, you can use it, your own email as well, and it will submit the message as well. You can check it out the demo video here. So why I am telling you about how you can make the $10,000. If you know the Chase Reiner, then you will know how he is making right now millions of dollars. And if you check it out Chase Reiner channel, just type GSA website contact and you will see the $10,000 month GSA website thing, millions of emails, clickbank earnings and many more. So he is showing everything in the detail how you can make it the $10,000 to $100,000 per month using this kind of bot. But here the main thing is that this bot submit thousands of contact us pages, also scrape from online the thousands of contact us pages from the different website. But it will take time for scraping. Okay, it will take time to scrape the contact us pages from the different of website in the different niches. Okay, so why I'm recording this video, I will record this video for show it to you. And also this is not a free thing, it's a paid thing. I will show it to you. When you click on the buy now, you will see it's $100 thing. You need to pay $100. If you are living in another country, you need to pay the taxes as well. Okay, if you are a US person, you need to pay $100 and you will get this software. So for scraping the contact us pages, it will take time on this thing. So I will show it to you in the USDT, so you will know. Okay, here I will convert it into the USDT right now, so you will check it out. So here you can see it will showing the $140 with the GST and everything, but if you are a US person, it will cost only $97 to you. So if you want this software and you want to promote your affiliate link or whatever you want, thousands of links you want to promote, you can use it. But the main thing is the contact us pages, you want to scrape it. Okay, so here I am selling the contact us pages right now. I am selling 14 million website contact us pages right now. I am selling 14 million of contact us pages right now. You can come and check it out on my website moneymade.xyz. This is the 4 million is USA website and 10 million is a random website, means 60% USA and 14% Europe countries, UK, Australia, like that. Okay, so total I am selling 14 millions of contact us website pages. You can check it out the video as well here. And the price you will see in the market is $500 to $1100 for the contact us pages, but right now I am selling at only $100. Yes my friend, I am only selling at the 14 million 14 million contact us pages at $100 price. So check it out and use it for your affiliate and whatever you want to promote it. You just need two things: first GSA website contact, and second the website contact list. If you have the both, you can promote whatever you want. You also grab the emails from the different kind of customer. You can generate leads and whatever you want to use it, you can use it, this 14 million contact us pages, and you will get the traffic as well on your website or your video as well. I hope you can enjoy the video. If you have any query, you can mail me or Skype me. Here is my Skype address, Money Matters 2019. Here is my mail ID, info@moneymat.xyz. So you can come and check it out the Chase Reiner video. He showed everything about the GSA website contact. Just come and type GS Reiner and GSA website contact. You will see different kind of video and how it's using it properly. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you.